Okay, what about for people that travel either with autism themselves or as one of the sensory disorders, or perhaps they have children that have a challenge? I know muster drill is one of those things that can be a challenge, and so
Mhm.
how do you deal with those kinds of things?
Well, for us, the muster drill is going to evolve post-COVID anyway. So that's one of the pieces that is in evolution right now in terms of exactly how we're going to handle it. We do have the ability, to know from a geolocation perspective with the medallion. So we know where you are on board the ship. We know if you visited your muster drill. It's not something that we have to monitor by having everybody come together and watch a video. We've got the ability to be able to push that out to you on demand on your phone, or you can watch the video in your stateroom, and then we'll be able to track and know that you've visited your muster station whenever you check in at your muster station. So that's one thing that's definitely going to evolve post-COVID that will help with some of that. We do have people trained in our children's programs. We are partnered with the Discovery Network. And the Discovery Network it's actually a huge conglomeration. It's not like it's just one channel, the Discovery Channel, it's 57 different channels, but we are partnered with them in all of our children's programming. So we do have people who have special training, and we also have special programming that we can provide.
Okay, well, very nice. And then, so let me ask a question, and I apologize, this was an unscripted question.
Mhm.
With the medallion, can crew members, will they know that the person might have a challenge? Is that something that the crew can tell? Because I know on another one, they had like lanyards they wore that's,
Mhm.
so that information is available to the crew based on the medallion they're wearing?
It is, and it's also something that from a safety perspective, you'll be able to send a message if there is something in an emergency situation. You would be able to send a message with your medallion app as well, so that if you needed help, that would be provided for you. And again, you've got the medallion on you so they can locate you.
Okay, well, very nice. That's I am looking forward to getting a chance to experience medallion class and to see all of the ways that opens up things for you. I think that the evolution of technology and its application to the cruise industry is
Mhm.
going to just be amazing over the next few years.